A transmission temperature warning is a critical alert that indicates your transmission is overheating, which can lead to significant and expensive damage if not addressed immediately. When your dashboard displays a transmission temperature warning light, it means the internal temperature has exceeded safe operating limits and immediate action is required. Understanding temperature ranges is crucial. Normal operating temperature is between 175 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Warning triggers occur between 220 and 240 degrees, while critical shutdown happens at 260 degrees or higher. The most common causes of transmission overheating include low or contaminated transmission fluid, which accounts for 60% of all cases. Other causes include faulty transmission coolers, excessive load conditions from towing or stop-and-go traffic, and internal mechanical failures. Modern vehicles use sophisticated smart temperature monitoring systems. Temperature sensors located in the transmission pan or valve body continuously feed data to the transmission control module, which processes this information and triggers dashboard warning systems. When temperature reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit, most modern transmissions automatically enter protective limp mode. This limits engine power and speed to prevent catastrophic damage while allowing you to safely drive to a service location. Understanding these warning systems and temperature ranges is essential for preventing expensive transmission damage. Early recognition and proper response to temperature warnings can save thousands of dollars in repair costs. When a transmission temperature warning appears, your immediate response is critical. Pull over safely to the side of the road and turn off the engine immediately to prevent further damage. Allow the transmission to cool down for 30 to 60 minutes. This cooling period is essential to prevent thermal damage and allow the system to return to safe operating temperatures. Next, check the transmission fluid level and condition. Low or burnt fluid is often the culprit behind overheating. Look for dark, burnt-smelling fluid, which indicates the need for immediate replacement. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for diagnostic trouble codes. Connect the scanner to the OBD port, typically located under the dashboard, and clear any codes after addressing the underlying issue. Different manufacturers have specific reset procedures. Ford uses 4Scan software, Toyota and Lexus use TechStream diagnostic tools, while BMW and Mercedes typically require dealer-level equipment for proper resets. After addressing the cause, perform a careful test drive while monitoring transmission temperature. Keep speeds moderate and watch for any return of warning signs. Regular preventive maintenance is crucial for preventing future overheating. Change transmission fluid every 30 to 60,000 miles. Inspect the cooler annually and address any issues promptly to avoid costly repairs.